With gas prices soaring, plug-ins and hybrids are looking real good right now, which means the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Plug-in Hybrid is right on time, and it's great. The 2026 RAV4 was redesigned and moved to a hybrid-only platform, and the plug-in hybrid was also redesigned, and it has more EV range and more horsepower for less money. I'm Cars.com reviewer Jennifer Geiger. Let's check out how the new plug-in is way better than the old one. First, the plug-in's EV range is up. The 2025 model was good for 42 miles of range and a 38 mile per gallon combined rating from the EPA. Meanwhile, the 2026 model gets around 50 miles of EV range and a 40 mile per gallon combined rating. Also, horsepower is up from 302 last year to 324 this year, and that translates to some extra pep. Power is brisk from a stop with more on tap as needed. It feels much livelier than the regular RAV4. In addition, the transition from EV power to gas feels seamless, and that can sometimes feel clunky in plug-ins. This is the GR version, and although it looks racy with its aggressive front and rear styling, it doesn't have any more horsepower than the regular plug-in. But it does have some suspension and steering upgrades that make it feel a little sportier. And perhaps best of all, the plug-in's price has gone down. And when does that ever happen? The 2026 model starts at around $43,000, about $3,000 less than the outgoing one. But that's for the base model. This GR Sport costs more at around $50,000, and it gets less range and you get a less powerful onboard charger, so it'll take you longer to charge it. Lastly, the plug-in still has all of the regular RAV4 goodies that make it Toyota's best-selling SUV. My favorites include the roomy back seat, the ample storage spaces, and these slick, drama-free controls. For more about the 2026 Toyota RAV4 and all of its variations, visit Cars.com/news and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.